Patay ko sa okay.
Oh my God.
Bamboo spatula. So today we are going to harvest some Hey guys, I am now here at our province area where's the coconut farm located. So today we are going to harvest some lanzones. Then right here they're cooking some chicken. My kuya's wife, and then their family members. And then we have lanzones. Wow, it's a lot, and it says sweet. So this is the lanzones tree. They're harvesting it. Some looks green, some are cracked, like rejected, and I think they're going to sell some of this. We are going to harvest almost 5 trees of lanzones today. Wow! So this is the lanzones. It's a lot, and I think it's sweet because there's black ants, which is sweet. It means sweet. So this lanzones tastes sweet and chewy jelly something. So that's like a bamboo spatula.
Oh.
And also this one, we are going to harvest this. I think this is one tree of lanzones. So we have 6 trees of lanzones that we are going to harvest today. So that's there, my cousins picking some lanzones. Right here, they're cooking some lunch. So that's why I wear something long pants. It's because we are going to walk like this, and it's super itchy. Horsey. Wow, so this one, my mom says this is the sweetest, this is sweetest lanzones tree they have here. Let's try it later after they harvest this lanzones. And also there's lanzones right there, and also there's lanzones right there. I think we have 7 trees of lanzones. So we got some mushrooms right here. Wow. And no more? Yeah, no more. Because we forgot our grilling, they're trying to use this steel, but they said it's sterilized already because of the heat. My dad using some banana brush to brush the meat. Wow. Lalupad. Init! Tagak na! Basta dili ka magbali, dito ka magsugod.
Okay kayo?
Okay kayo. Okay, so my uncle's going to cook the mushroom. Wrap it in a banana leaf and then grilled, and that's how he's going to cook the mushroom. Allah! They use this banana leaf as like chopping board.
Ugoy.
Yummy.
Hayang.
Fiesta every day. So this is our budol fight area. We're going to put rice and food in there. So this is the mushroom. It looks like this right now. Init man.
Namay sabaw. Uy. Ayun, mangluwag. Oh, naran ang luwag pa. Ilok kay. Di iyak man kado. Ningaw ka mama mo do.
Naman siya. Tastes like steamed mushroom.
Ah. Wa po nang tanglan.
Wala pa yung manok ko. Bisog ba?
Lami dukot.
So this is our food right now. This is grilled pork, crabs, rice, chicken soup, grilled pork, and then right there we're waiting for the grilled chicken.
I don't know who you are, I don't know what you've been through, why you got scars. Since you walked through the door, I've been trying to reach.
So the food was so good. I'm here at the Nipa Hut, which is a small kubo. And then we have here our lanzones. I mean, not ours, but my auntie's lanzones. And then outside, it's raining. So let's try the lanzones. Ow, ow, ow. Sweet and sour. It tastes like sweet and sour and jelly. Yeah, jelly. I don't know, it's hard to explain, but it tastes like jelly, sweet and sour. Okay, ready? It's raining right now, so we're heading back. We have a few lanzones at the back of the truck. So, Mama, let's go.
Ready?
Oh, wait.
They come so.
Bye-bye. Okay, good. Good.
Good.
Wow, so they have two horses right here. Pwede pa picture ko, ane? Ah, dili ni mo ko, an? Basin tumban ko, ane, ha?
Dito sa kay to.
Hi, horsey. Hi, horsey. I like your blonde hair. Hi, horsey. I like your blonde hair.
Dito sa banak. Umugawas man ko.
Patay lagi si. Daganon pa lang ko. Lalalay, gutom na siya. He's hungry. Wait. Dili na, basa.
Dili.
Ah, kana na.
Ano?
Ako ka na to. Wata ka siya.
Ay, ako na gana.
Na.
Patay ko sa... Okay. Oh my gosh.
Ayun. Wala kang mataga.
What's the story behind?
Sige, sige. Ganyan. Video.
Cause I feel what's the story behind the mountain you're trying to climb? Think I've heard it before in a movie line. We can ride around and in the storm. Don't wanna see
Ito gacha. Ano tong ban? Sorry daw. Sorry daw. Sorry mo. Sorry.
you spin me around and you make me know.
Okay. Oh, ay wala kasi tigas
When I saw you, I would lose control. Made me feel like there was no tomorrow. Should've told you that you're beautiful, but the days pass and now it's so long ago.